Hey everyone, welcome to Jotform. My name is Kimberly, and today I'm going to walk you through how to view your invoices for your Jotform payments. Now, I'm in my dashboard, and the easiest way to do this is to go up to your picture in the top right corner. Now, you can either choose your username, you can click right here, or you can click down on settings. It's going to take you to the same place. I'm going to go ahead and click on my username. And then over on the left-hand side, you can see where it says billing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on billing. And this is where you can change your plan, you can change the card it's going to charge, and you can click on each one of these links to view the overall invoice. For credit cards, we use Stripe, and Jotform generates the invoice. Stripe will also send you a receipt to your email. For PayPal payments, Jotform generates the invoice, but again, you'll also receive a receipt from PayPal. So if you have any questions about billing or charges, just drop it down below in the comments, and I'll see you next time.